Hi everybody, today I'm here with an unboxing and reveal of the Soleil de Hermes dinner and dessert plates. So let's get started. Up first is the smaller dessert plate. So the dessert plate comes in multiple different patterns. We chose this concentric sunflower style pattern because that's what spoke the most to us. It's called Soleil because of the yellow, like the sun, and all the various designs are more floral and summer-based designs. So as with all the Hermes dishware, it is handmade, so porcelain, and then the lacquer is put on by hand by artisans in Paris. We see that there's a Hermes right at the very bottom. And if we turn it over, we will see the Soleil de Hermes as the line, and then at the very bottom, you'll see the stamp of the artisan that made it. So if you're familiar with my other home and dishware videos, you would have seen or heard me talk about these stamps. So each artisan has their own stamp. This one looks like a t-shirt, and that's just a symbol of quality and craftsmanship. And if there's ever any problem, Hermes can look at the stamp and then know who made that plate. So this is the dessert plate. We did get 4 of them, so we do have 2 boxes of the same. And as you can see here, they come really packed really well with styrofoam padding and styrofoam in between and on top as well. So I will put this aside for just a moment. And let's go open up the dinner plate. Okay, as you can see, the dinner plate is bigger. Again, following the Soleil motif, you have a lot of yellow and white. And this is more of like a sun. Maybe the center is the sun and these are the rays coming out of it. Up to your artistic interpretation. Again, on the back, we have the line and we have the artisan stamp. This one looks like it might be a ladybug. So somebody else has made this particular dinner plate. Again, much like the dessert plate, handmade, porcelain, the lacquer is put on by hand as well. And one interesting thing that you can do is you can layer these plates. So I can do this, and I can put on the dessert plate on top of the dinner plate to create a nice presentation like this. And we chose these patterns intentionally because you can see that they complement each other pretty well. So these are supposed to be hand washed, but because of the type of lacquer and color used, you can use these at the dishwasher. Hermes does not officially recommend this, but there have been many reports of people using these in the dishwasher, and the lacquer does not come off, but obviously you do so at your own risk. In the US, as of April 2024, the dinner plate retails for $195, and the dessert plate retails for $155. We also have an order in for some bowls as well, and we'll make sure to do a follow-up video once we get those in. Thanks for watching. As always, please feel free to leave any questions or comments below, and I'll see you next time.